Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about how to promote eBay listings. So, eBay listings by themselves cannot be generating money for you instantly. But if you boost your eBay listings, like promoting them and paying money to actually make them appear more in people's feed or like feed page or basically home page or whatever, is actually going to boost your chances by getting your first sale or even getting more sales if you have already got sales. Now, to do that, you have to go through this page, which is ebay.com/sales center growth eBay advertising promoting listings. Now, what is promoted listings? Promoting your listing can help you drive sales by putting your listings in front of relevant buyers. With promoted listings, you have access to ad placements that can attract more buyers and help drive sales. You can have a flexible options and controls to match your business goals, and a simple to use platform to create and manage your campaigns. So you are literally just making Facebook ads, but in this time on eBay. There is two main strategies to go for: the general strategy and the priority strategy. The first one can increase the visibility and awareness of your listings, and the second one helps your listing reach highly motivated buyers. Now, to get started, all you need to do is to do this. Go to this page and create an account on your advertising dashboard. Click on create a new campaign and then choose your listing that you want to promote for. When choosing a strategy, make sure that you are choosing one of these, which is priority strategy in general strategy, and then the other steps will depend on which strategy you have chosen. For example, general, ad listing, add ad rate strategy, give it a name, and set a campaign duration. On the other half, for the priority, you are actually bidding against other bidders, so you are actually going to put not an ad like price, but a bidding price. And yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.